If your knees ache when you walk, if your legs feel stiff when you stand up, or if your joints crack a little too often lately, this video is for you. Because here's the truth, after age 50, your body naturally starts losing collagen, the essential protein that keeps your joints cushioned, your bones strong, and your skin firm. But did you know that certain vegetables can actually help you restore collagen naturally, without expensive pills or powders? And surprisingly, some everyday foods you might still be eating could be making your joint pain worse. So in today's video, we'll cover 7 powerful, collagen-boosting vegetables seniors should eat regularly. Which common foods silently damage aging joints, and simple, natural swaps to keep your legs strong and pain-free. Make sure you stay until the end, because vegetable number 7 is one most people overlook, but it could make a huge difference in your mobility. Hi, I'm glad you're here. Whether you're 55, 65, or even 75, it's never too late to take care of your joints. Every week, we share natural ways to stay active, pain-free, and full of energy, without complicated diets or expensive supplements. Today's focus is collagen, the body's glue that holds your muscles, bones, ligaments, and skin together. While collagen supplements are popular, many seniors don't realize you can actually boost your own collagen production naturally with specific vegetables. Let's get into the list, and I'll explain how each one helps. In simple terms, let's understand what is collagen and why it matters. So what exactly is collagen? Think of it like the padding between your joints and the framework of your muscles and skin. As we age, our body makes less collagen, which can lead to joint stiffness or grinding, muscle weakness, sagging skin, slower recovery from minor injuries. In fact, after the age of 40, you lose about 1% of your collagen every year, and for women, this can speed up after menopause. But here's the good news. Certain vegetables are rich in nutrients that support collagen production, including vitamin C, zinc, sulfur, and amino acids. These nutrients don't contain collagen directly, but they stimulate your body to make more of it naturally, especially when combined with good sleep, gentle movement, and enough hydration. Now let's look at the 7 vegetables you should be eating regularly, starting with a surprising one most seniors don't get enough of. Vegetable number 1, spinach. After 55, the secret super leaf for healthy aging. The green powerhouse. What if one leafy green could help you see better, move better, feel younger, and live longer? That's not a myth. It's the power of spinach, a nutrient-dense superfood that becomes even more important as we age. In today's video, we're exploring the powerful nutrient profile of spinach, the proven medical benefits for those over 55, and the best ways to prepare it to unlock its full healing potential. So if you're over 55, and want to age gracefully with strength and clarity, stay with me to the end. Let's start with what's inside this vibrant green leaf. Spinach is packed with vital nutrients your body needs more than ever after 55, per 100 grams of raw spinach. You get vitamin K1, over 180% of your daily value, crucial for bone strength and blood clotting. Vitamin A, supports vision, skin health, and immunity. Folate, B9, essential for heart health and red blood cell production. Iron, needed to prevent anemia and maintain energy levels. Magnesium, important for muscle and nerve function, heart rhythm, and blood sugar regulation. Lutein, zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from age-related damage. Vitamin C, support immune health and cellular repair, and all this in just 23 calories per cup. It's a nutrient powerhouse with almost zero fat or sugar, perfect for maintaining healthy weight and blood sugar after 55. Medical benefits of spinach for seniors. Now let's talk about how spinach actually protects your health as you grow older. 1. Strengthens bones, prevents fractures. Vitamin K1 and calcium in spinach help maintain bone density, reducing your risk of osteoporosis and fractures, especially in postmenopausal women. 2. Protects brain function and memory. Spinach is rich in nitrates and folate, which improve blood flow to the brain. One study showed older adults who ate leafy greens daily had the memory of someone 11 years younger. 3. Preserves eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin protect your retina from macular degeneration, a common issue after age 60. They also reduce the risk of cataracts and improve night vision. 4. Supports heart health. Spinach reduces blood pressure due to its high potassium and nitrate content, which improve blood vessel flexibility and lower artery stiffness. 5. Fights fatigue and anemia. With iron and vitamin C together, spinach helps your body absorb iron efficiently, reducing fatigue and supporting healthy red blood cells. 6. Reduces inflammation and slows aging. Spinach contains camphorol, a plant compound that's been linked to reduced inflammation, cancer protection, and cellular repair. How to use spinach for maximum benefit. Here's how to eat spinach in a way that maximizes benefits, because preparation makes a difference. 1. Raw for antioxidants. Eye health. In salads or smoothies, raw spinach keeps its vitamin C, lutein, and folate intact. Great combo. Spinach boiled egg olive oil for a vision-boosting salad. 2. Lightly cooked to absorb more iron calcium. Cooking spinach breaks down oxalates, which block absorption of calcium and iron. Light sautéing with garlic and olive oil for 2 to 3 minutes unlocks its mineral content.
3. Spinach smoothie for brain and heart. Blend 1 cup spinach with banana, blueberries, and chia seeds. Rich in fiber, antioxidants, and omega-3s, it's a perfect anti-inflammatory breakfast. 4. Add to omelets, soups and stir-fries. Spinach wilts fast and blends well into any dish. Add it at the end of cooking to preserve texture and nutrients. 5. Pair with vitamin C. Spinach's plant-based iron, non-heme, is better absorbed when eaten with vitamin C. Add lemon juice or bell peppers to your spinach dish for a nutrition boost. Cautions for seniors. While spinach is one of the healthiest foods, here are a few precautions if you're over 55. If you have kidney stones, limit large quantities of raw spinach. It's high in oxalates, which can increase stone risk. If you're on blood thinners like warfarin, talk to your doctor before dramatically increasing intake, due to spinach's high vitamin K1. Moderation is key. 2 servings per week is a healthy goal. Spinach isn't just a vegetable, it's a prescription from nature for stronger bones, sharper vision, and a longer, healthier life. If you're over 55, make spinach part of your weekly routine. Your heart, brain, and body will thank you. Want more senior-friendly health tips like this? Tap that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Until then, be well, stay strong, and keep taking gentle steps toward a healthier you.